Upgrade your farm with premium poultry farming equipment from Ankefarm, designed to improve efficiency, productivity, and bird welfare. Ankefarm offers advanced poultry solutions including automatic feeding systems, nipple drinking systems, ventilation equipment, climate control, egg collection systems, manure removal systems, and modern poultry housing equipment for broiler and layer farms. Built with durable materials and innovative engineering, every product is designed to reduce labor costs, improve flock management, and maximize production performance. Whether you're starting a new poultry farm or upgrading an existing operation, Ankefarm provides reliable, high-quality equipment tailored to farms of every size. With a focus on automation, efficiency, and long-lasting performance, Ankefarm helps poultry farmers achieve better results while simplifying daily operations. Visit Ankefarm today to explore professional poultry farming equipment that supports sustainable farming, healthier birds, and greater productivity for modern poultry businesses.